Hey, what's up, y'all? It's DeWan. We're back in here with another video. It's Monday night, so decided to chime in with you guys this evening. I got off work a bit late, so I didn't get a chance to do a post meal walk, and so I'm just kind of chilling right now, and decided to check in with you guys from here. So just wanted to touch base with you today. The crypto market more of the same. A little bit of red in the streets. Great buying opportunities, in my opinion. Still near the 618 golden retrace area for Bitcoin, which is some good value, in my opinion. You know, Bitcoin's not oversold, neither overbought, but it's closer to oversold than anything else. Um, Volume is low. Means a lot of Bitcoin isn't trading different hands, which is really good. That is a sign that the ETFs are doing what they're supposed to do, which is they shot up the price of the coin, and they're also being used to keep Bitcoin as reserves for the ETFs, along with countries such as Germany, who wittingly admitted that the Bitcoin that they were selling, a senator spoke out for Germany, saying that Bitcoin should be used, definitely used as a reserve, a strategic reserve asset. So that idea is out there. Who knows how many other countries is utilizing Bitcoin the same way? But nonetheless, the fact that in mass it's just being bought and it's just being put away. We see the number of wallets that are trending up. The amount of Bitcoin on exchanges still falling, still at lows, all-time lows historically. And the hash rate for Bitcoin, which is one measure of security, the amount of energy that it requires for a miner to join the network so they can validate the network, is at all-time highs as well. So um, we have our halving that passed. I keep talking about this, and because I really want to drive home the fundamentals that we see are very, very strong. I think the only missing piece is on the macro end, as the economy slows down. They're keeping interest rates up, but assets continue to go up. We've seen Bitcoin continue to go up during a high interest rate environment. So when they do make that decision to pivot, they've been holding the rates. So when they officially actually cut a rate or cut, then we could see something serious come about. But right now, just looks like it's just a waiting game. I guess more. I don't like to wait. I like to be proactive. So I consider it as a situation to either take time to learn more about what I think I know or what I don't know about the asset that I prefer, or acquire more of it, preferably both. And so I will take this opportunity to do so. But I cannot imagine people who are not looking into this right now. I think that's going to be a grave mistake for them financially and their quality of life. These are the very same people who put all their trust into fiat currency, enough so much that they are willing to keep it locked in a CD for a year, or some type of money market account where they makes them sleep good at night, right? Makes them sleep good to see that 4 and 5%. Couldn't be me. I do not get up every day, trade my time and my energy for a currency that's going to be devalued and to pretty much suck the life out of me. I will not allow it. I will not allow any of the inconveniences that fiat currency has provided to my life to be in vain. And so I will take it's more of a, when you realize how much of your life has been negatively affected by fiat currency that you probably can't get back, you look at Bitcoin more than just an opportunity to save yourself financially or to get rich or something like that. You look at it more as something that's a middle finger, a real, like, uh, a gasp for air, right? You're looking at it as something that's going to be, somebody. Imagine somebody who has fallen in slow motion, and they're just reaching, grab for everything possible to try to hurt the person, the perpetrator that made them fall. this is what Bitcoin is. Bitcoin is an expression at this point. It is a message to the world that the same way it was a message for the world when you refused to take the COVID jab. If you did refuse it, not more. I mean, yes, of course, it's concern for any adverse effects or anything that may happen. To protect yourself, but also as an expression to say that I disapprove of this based on principle. And I think that's what Bitcoin stands for. So, but nonetheless, I think this opportunity to accumulate. I'm not going to worry myself about the fear and greed index. Yes, we are back into the fear portion of the fear and greed index. Great buying opportunity, guys. I said this is all market price related stuff, nothing to do with the fundamentals. And once you get a clear picture of that, once you understand Bitcoin, once you get it, because many people buy it, but few get it. And so once you get it, then everything else becomes, you just start kind of just shaping everything around it, even your life, even the way you live. Everything becomes simplified and clear, and you start to have hope for a future. You start to be like me, start to try to plan for a family, plan for a child, hopefully one day, you know what I mean? Because you have hope for it, you know what I'm saying? You could foresee it, at one point you couldn't, now you can, but anyways. So yeah, for all those out there that's continuing to stack, seeing the opportunity here, again, this is a strong pullback, and I think we go higher. I'm not even concerned about price anymore because I know that at the end of the day, what left is there, But if you're in the stacking phase, look at HODL.com. Get you a nice little KYC, non-KYC pickup of Bitcoin where you don't have to worry about a centralized exchange giving you problems or wanting to try to track you down in the future. You at least have some to diversify. Got a link down in the description. Look at good wallets, guys. Even if you got a wallet already, look at a backup wallet. You should have more than one wallet. You'll be crazy to not to have more than one wallet. You lose that wallet, you'll have to pull it up somewhere else. You could just have a backup in place. Pull up your seed phrase on your backup wallet. I got a good wallet recommendations down below as well in the description box, and a great book to help you get a deeper understanding of Bitcoin if you don't already. If not, if you know friends or family that you would like to continue to try to orange pill, recommend them to the book down below. Great book. I wrote this about 4 years ago, and of course I highly recommend it. So check it out. Definitely has a lot of my personal, personal experiences. Okay. But anyways, I'm gonna keep this one short, well under 10 minutes. I appreciate y'all checking in with me tonight, man. Just wanted to kick it with y'all. Till next time.